This is the Mirage Club Plunge Pool Suite Oceanfront, and this room sleeps 2 adults. As you walk in, you'll notice the open concept bathroom. There's a soaking tub, but just to clarify, it's not a jacuzzi tub. There's no jets. Behind the frosted glass doors, you'll find the toilet on one side and the shower on the other. There's plenty of closet space, and inside you'll find robes, slippers, a steamer, and a safe. This room type only comes with a king-size bed, so if you want to guarantee a king bed, this is a great option. By the desk is the coffee station with an espresso-style machine, a drip coffee pot, and a kettle for hot water. Below that is the mini fridge, which is stocked with Coke products, beer, and water. Moving outside, you'll get your first beautiful view. There's a day bed along with a table and chairs, which is perfect for enjoying room service with a view. Heading back inside, there's a couch for lounging. As we go upstairs, it's worth noting that there are only 18 of these oceanfront plunge pool suites, so if you know you want an oceanfront room, this is definitely a room type to book early. At the top of the stairs, there's another mini fridge, so if you're hanging out at the pool, you don't have to go all the way downstairs. This room has multiple fridges, which is super convenient. Up here, you'll find a seating area, a day bed, and of course, your plunge pool. The plunge pool is about 3 feet deep and has a ledge you can sit on. And then just look at this view. It is absolutely gorgeous. This room does not have an outdoor jacuzzi tub like some of the other room types do here. The toiletries provided include shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. I'll be honest, I didn't personally love them and I'm not very picky, so if you're particular about your toiletries, I'd bring your own. This room type is only available in buildings 1,000 and 3,000, which is what guarantees your oceanfront view. All rooms at this resort have access to a club lounge where you can grab a drink and a snack, make yourself a cocktail, or get a cup of coffee. This was one of my favorite things about the resort. We loved stopping by the lounge before turning in for the night to either get a cup of tea or a nightcap. Just a really good option. If you're interested in booking this resort with a travel agent, I would love to help you. My prices are always cheaper than the direct Majestic website pricing. You can reach me at my website, which is memoriesandmojitos.com. You'll submit a quote request and we'll go from there. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down below. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.